how to turn on or turn off separate app sound on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the Settings icon. Then we scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Separate App Sound. Now tap on the Turn On Now toggle button to switch it on. Then tap on Select. It said that you need to select App and Audio Device. So tap on Select. Here, I will select, say, YouTube and YouTube Music. And then tap on the back key. Here, we can choose the audio device, Bluetooth device, or phone. So generally, you want to play separate sound, separate app on a Bluetooth device, such as your soundbar or Bluetooth speakers. So select what you want and then tap on the back key, and that's it. So if you want to add in other apps, just simply tap on Add Apps, and then choose which apps can be used for separate app sound. And that's it. After that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.